koutou, ko Amanda Rose toku ingoa. My name is Amanda Rose, and it's Te Wiki or Te Reo Maori, Māori Language Week.
And Morena Winton School, called Zach Ahau. I'm Zach. Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Ratu, the 5th of July.
Let's get into Te kupu or Te Wiki. This week's word is Homai, which is te reo for pass or give.
As in, Homai, here, eenu, māku. Pass me a drink, please. Thank you.
That's Homai, which is te reo for pass or give.
Kia ora. Powers News. Check the library window for Who's Up. Kia ora.
All week long we're celebrating Te Wiki or Te Reo Maori.
We've got activities in Te whare-pukapuka at lunchtime. Get yourself in the library at 12:45 for some string games.
There's also a meke colouring in competition running all week.
Entries are available in the library today and are all due back to the library by Ramere. Tena koutou.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
Magazine team, you have a meeting at 12:40 today in the group room.
Friday class news. We announced the winners of the Term 2 pizza lunch, rewarded tomorrow. So stay tuned and fingers crossed.
No birthdays today at Winton School, but on this day in 1996, Dolly the sheep was born.
Dolly was the world's first cloned mammal and the craziest thing.
You mean the name's not crazy?
3 mothers and no father?
Of course! How did I not know? And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S team, ka kitea popo. See you tomorrow.
Stay clean, stay dry, and stay off the grass, Winton School.